History, Term 3, 6th Standard, Second Lesson, Part 1, The Post-Mauryan India. This is the name of the lesson. We are going to see about it. Viewers, subscribe my channel, press bell button. If you like this video, give likes, share it and give comments. In this lesson, we are going to see understanding of the politics, society, economy, and culture of various kingdoms that were established in the south, north, and northwest of India. The Mauryan Empire broken. Why it broken? Because of the invasion of Sakas, Scythians, Parthians, Indo-Greeks or Bactrian Greeks and Kushanas. They invaded from northwest. From the south, Satavahanas invaded, and from the north, Sungas and Kanvas invaded on India. Due to that, the Mauryan Empire broken. How do we get the information of the post-Mauryan India? That is through archaeological sources, coins, literary sources and foreign notice. Now archaeological sources. First one, inscriptions. Like Ayodhya inscriptions, Moga or Taxila copper plate, Girnar inscriptions, etc. Then coins. Coins of Satavahanas, coins of Romans and coins of cut pieces too. Through that they got the information. Then through literary sources, Puranas, Mahabhashya of Patanjali, then Buddha Charita of Asvakosha, etc. Foreign notice, Yuan Shuang, the Chinese Buddhist monk and traveler. Through them or through that we got the information of the post-Mauryan India. Sungas and Kanvas in the north. The last Mauryan emperor was killed by Pushyamitra Sunga. Pushyamitra kingdoms extended Ujjain and Vitisha. Extended to Ujjain and Vitisha. Pushyamitra's kingdom extended to Ujjain and Vidisha or Vitisha. Pushyamitra thwarted. Thwarted it means defeated. Pushyamitra defeated Kalinga king Karavela and he captured or conquered Vidarbha. So Karavela was the name of the king and Vidarbha was the name of the place. Pushyamitra captured Vidarbha and defeated Karavela, that is Kalinga king. Pushyamitra was a staunch follower of Vedic religion. He performed two yagas, that is Aswamedha yagas, that is sacrificed horse. Why he performed two yagas? It means he wanted to make his kingdom stronger. Then Pushyamitra was succeeded by his son Agnimitra. Agnimitra was a hero of Kalidasa's Malavikani Mitra. Malavikani Mitra was a drama's name which was wrote by Kalidasa. So Agnimitra's son Agnimitra is the hero of Malavikani Mitra. This drama refers to the victory of Vasimitra, that is Agnimitra's son. So in the Malavikani Mitra gave importance to Vasumitra, that is Vasumitra was the son of Agnimitra. The Kanvas. So we have seen about already Sakas. Now we are going to see about Kanvas. The Kanva dynasty produced 4 kings and their rule for 45 years. That is Kanva dynasty ruled for 45 years with 4 rulers. That is Vasudeva, Bhumimitra, Narayana and Susarman. Susarman was the last Kanva ruler. He was killed by Simukha. Simukha laid the foundation of the Satavahana dynasty. After the Kanva dynasty, Satavahana dynasty laid by Simukha. Satavahanas in the south, the Kushanas in the north, and Satavahanas in the south ruled for 300 years to 450 years. Simuka, the founder of Satavahana dynasty, ruled only for 23 years. Contribution of Satavahanas. Literature. The Satavahana king Hala was a great scholar of Sanskrit. The Kantara school of Sanskrit prospered in the Deccan in the 2nd century BC. Art and architecture. The Satavahana rulers were great builders. They began constructing Buddhist stupas in Amravati. A bronze statue of the standing Buddha discovered in OCEO, that is an archaeological site in Vietnam. Oc Eo, it means is the name of the place which is in the Vietnam. The later Satavahana kings issued lead or bronze coins depicting or engraved ships with two masts. It means two catamarans. So the later Satavahana kings issued a lead or bronze coins. It engraved ships with two masts. It means ships with two catamarans. Gandhara, Madura, Amravati, Bodh Gaya, Sanchi and Bahruch were known for wonderful monuments and arts.